Here are some online side jobs you can do to earn extra money. Subscribe for more ways on how to get that Wi-Fi bread. 20. Get paid to play online games. Do you spend endless hours playing games on your phone when you have nothing to do? How about getting paid to do that? Mist Play is a legit Android app that pays you to play. It has over 80,000 reviews on Google Play, and it averages a score of 4 stars. If you want to start making money, download the app. Install a game in your list. After 2 to 5 minutes of playing, you will start earning units. Share your feedback on the game with developers to earn extra units. Developers will use your feedback to improve the games before launching them on the market officially. Once you reach enough units, you can redeem them for free gift cards, including Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Google Play, iTunes, PlayStation gift cards, and more. You will not get rich just by using this app, but it's a great way to earn some extra money by doing something you already do. 19. Wrap your car. Do you own a car? How about placing advertising on it and get paid? With Wrapify you can get paid up to $452 for having your car wrapped with an ad. You need to download the Wrapify app, and then they will track your journeys until you reach 50 miles. Once you reach 50 miles, you are eligible to take part in a campaign. Each campaign will place ads on your car for 1 to 12 months. During that time you will be earning free money every month. To be eligible to take part in a campaign, you need to be 21 or older, have a clean driving and criminal record, have a car that is from 2008 or newer. I think this is a cool way to make money, but it's also a great idea to generate passive income. If you are already driving around town, why not get paid for it? 18. Get paid to shop. If you love shopping around, how about doing it for others? With Instacart, you will work as an independent contractor delivering groceries for other people. There's great potential to make good money, especially right now. You could make up to $25 per hour during busy times, although the average is between $10 to $20 per hour. You also get to make your own schedule and pick your orders, and the flexibility is what makes it so great, especially if you have limited time or are a stay-at-home mom or a student. 17. Sell on CafePress. CafePress allows you to sell items that feature a digital design. If you're a great graphic designer, you could create a number of designs that would fit different formats such as shirts, hats and cups, and earn a commission when they sell. 16. Write a travel itinerary. An itinerary is basically a travel document recording a route or journey. If you've got the lowdown on the best spots in your town, whether for takeout or just a nice walk outside, sites like Wild Bum let you write and sell a personalized itinerary for anyone planning a trip there. Guide architects, as they're called, charge anywhere from $25 to $150 for a guide. You as a writer keep 75% of every sale. 15. Review books. Authors and publishers are keen to know what people think of their work. If you love reading books and find yourself having a lot of opinions about them, sites like Online Book Club pay $5 to $60 for reviews of a variety of book types. Sign up on the site to start receiving the Wi-Fi bread. Best part is you can do it at the comfort of your home anytime you desire. 14. Help people write resumes. With millions of people looking for work during the pandemic, now is a great time to use your skills to help applicants craft the most impressive resume. If you have recruitment or human resources experience and know what employers are looking for, consider writing resumes on the side by offering your services on sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Typical pay is $21 per hour, according to ZipRecruiter. 13. Website testing. All companies need to test out their websites and apps before they go live, and sites like User Testing pay people to do so. Users sign up on the site, filling in details like age and location, and can then take either 20 to 30-minute tests online or 45-minute tests live with a representative. Tests pay anywhere from $10 to $120 each. 12. Do a celebrity impression. If you can do a spot on celebrity impression, you'll find there's a market for your skill. Impersonators on Fiverr charge $20 for a Morgan Freeman impression to $15 for a cowboy video. Consider sharing your talents with the world and posting your skills on the site. Fiverr sellers keep 80% of revenue from each transaction. 11. Transcription. If you're an especially fast typist, companies and individuals that record conversations for interviews, research, documenting company meetings, and so on, could use your skills. Transcribers listen to and transcribe these recordings accurately and clearly for future use. Average hourly rate is $15 per hour, according to PayScale. Find transcribing jobs on sites like Upwork and FlexJobs, Rev.com to name a few. 10. Teach live lessons online. OutSchool is a marketplace of live, online classes for kids ages 3 to 18 covering a wide array of subject matters. Instructors teach anything from a one-time 40-minute class to 8 90-minute classes over the course of 8 weeks and earn an average of $40 per hour. 9. Rent a spare room on Airbnb. Airbnb offers a great source of income for people that are willing to rent out a spare room or even their entire home. If you're in a need for some fast cash, Airbnb offers you an avenue for creating an income. You'll get paid 24 hours after a guest checks in, which is to avoid any problems or potential scams that might arrive. Some people earn their primary income just by renting out rooms or homes on Airbnb. 8. Create an online course. Create an online course with a platform like Udemy or Teachable and leverage some of your skills to create a healthy income. Depending upon how much time you invest in your course, you could make a substantial side revenue stream by creating courses that deliver tremendous amounts of value. 7. Build a sales funnel with ClickFunnels. Many people struggle with creating the proper funnel that converts. It takes a high degree of technical and marketing knowledge. However, ClickFunnels, a SaaS business with over 40,000 customers, which was started by Russell Brunson, takes all the guesswork out of that. You could build a sales funnel and automate your selling with a platform like this. Most businesses do not know about this, but you could learn this skill, pitch it to other businesses, and make some extra cash. You could charge them $500 to $2,000 per sales funnel. 6. Produce an audiobook. Use a platform like ACX to create and sell audiobooks on platforms like Audible and iTunes. If you have a great idea for a nonfiction audiobook where you can teach a difficult skill like stock trading, foreign currency investing, accounting, online marketing or others, you can easily create a 5-figure monthly income with the right volume of audiobooks. 5. Become a mystery shopper. Companies of all kinds are looking for mystery shoppers. Mystery shoppers buy in secret, documenting their experiences with the retailer. This can be done at a physical store or an online store. If you do a simple search on becoming a mystery shopper, you can likely locate several services that will assist you. Or, you can simply contact companies directly to pitch your mystery shopping services to them. 4. Design logos on 99DESIGNS. If you're graphically inclined and you're good at programs like Photoshop and Illustrator, you could potentially compete for design work on 99 Designs. However, you won't get paid unless your design is chosen as the winning design, meaning you need to be a very good designer to make income here. 3. Sell products on Etsy. Use Etsy to sell crafts or other homemade items. Etsy is one of the largest resources for selling handmade goods on the internet. You could also sell digital items such as digital posters that can be printed out. 2. Become a freelance article writer. Write articles for other people. If you have a passion for writing, you could help out other bloggers or even become a ghostwriter for a well-known author. Use sites like Freelancer, Upwork and others to advertise your services. 1. Create an app. If you have some app development skills and you're proficient at Swift or Android-based development platforms, you could try your hand at creating a smartphone app. Obviously, this isn't a quick or easy way to make money, but could pay off big with the right idea.